I used to have a ton of mosquitoes since I live right by this rain drainage area where water comes from the whole neighborhood and it stays between trees in shade with rotting leaves. The perfect environment for mosquitoes. This is what I do to significantly reduce their pesky presence. Step 1. Starting early spring, I leave mosquito dunks in the stinky standing water that I just mentioned. The dunks have naturally occurring bacteria that kills mosquito larvae. If you want proof that it works, watch my experiment, link in the description. Step 2. I spray my yard with garlic extract, which repels mosquitoes. It's not 100% effective, but you'll definitely see a difference. I had used mosquito barrier, but it got very expensive recently, so I'll just make my own garlic water. Step 3. I spray myself with mosquito-repelling essential oils diluted with water or some carrier oil, or store-bought equivalents. Plus I follow these simple rules. Remove any standing water in the yard, including even the smallest containers, sand toys, trays, pot dishes, or even water spout extenders. These tend to run flat instead of sloping, and if they are corrugated, water stays there in the grooves and lets mosquitoes breed. Also, planting flowers that attract natural mosquito predators is also helpful. One of those predators are dragonflies, which according to Smithsonian Magazine can eat up to hundreds of mosquitoes a day. Some of the flowers that attract dragonflies are very easy to grow: black-eyed Susans, yarrow, bonesets, or milkweed, for example. And finally, I try to do yard work or work in the garden in first half of the day when mosquitoes are less active, and keep my grass short.